Hello everyone. Another question here. We are trying to solve problem under the category of real life problem using the matrix. And to do this, let us go through the following example. Here in this example, we see a mattress factory has two manufacturing plants. So if you have attention to this, when you say that like two manufacturing plants, okay, here is the first row, which is the first manufacturing plants, and the second row, which is like the second manufacturing plants. The first plants produce, as you say, like 180 twins sized mattress. Here is the 120. So this is, as we said, the first, and this is the second. I'm talking about the first manufacturing plants, and here the second manufacturing plants. Okay, for the first one, then we have 150 mattress. So here is the second one, which is 150. And then we have the 90 mattress per shift. So I need to concentrate now on per shift. So for each one shift, we have 120, 150, and 90. Now, the second plant produces 80. So here we have like 80. And then 110. And then we have 140. And all that per one shift. The number of mattresses of each size produced per shift by the two plants can be represented by this matrix as we explained, given that there are 3 shifts per day. So if we call this matrix as A, so when we say 3 shifts, that means as we multiply the matrix by 3, so we need to multiply it by 3, so we need to multiply 120 by 3 and 150 by 3 and the 90 by 3 and then the 80 by 3 and 110. We need to multiply it by 3 and the 140 multiply it by 3. So now when we multiply it like this, so 3 times 120, this is 360. So we can see that here is 360 and here 360. So the answer could be B or C, not A and not D. Let's start with this one, like 3 times 150, it's 300 and 150, so 450. So we can see here 450, and the answer here is 270, which is not right. So we can cancel the B, but we can keep going with other elements like 3 times 90, which is 270, which is right. Now 300 times 40, which is 240, right? And 3 times 110, which is 330, which is right. And the last one, which is 3 times 140, which is 420, which is absolutely right. Now let us check the answer. I don't need all this, so we need to delete it. And now let us choose the answer and check. So we can see that this is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you get this idea and meet you guys in another new video. Goodbye.